we start in the day. A unique design that catches your eye. An ore-like crown, making it irreplaceable. Custom-made, genuine movement by Styletta, Switzerland. High-quality guarantee, showcasing the beauty of mechanism. Our obsession for details. And a pursuit of perfection is what we show with the watch. We give our best performance during the day. And when the day's over, we return to our most authentic self. Chasing what we love. We race with time. The sport elements being a spark of passion. The design of the double Moonphase, exquisite and unique. Till the night, the moonlight shines through, just like the peace that we're looking for in our lives. As a glimmer of light in the dark, which guides us into the light. Krons Stone.